Hydroblast procedure. Hydroblasting is the use of high-pressure water media forced through an orifice to be used as a cutting action. It is this cutting action that is the main hazard. This high-pressure water can cut through boots, gloves, aprons, and any other protective clothing in seconds. If the jet comes in contact with your foot or hand, it could result in injecting fluid directly into your bloodstream, resulting in possible amputation or loss of life. In spite of these hazards, hydroblasters can be operated safely if proper procedures are followed. No one should operate this equipment without proper training and equipment. Personal protective equipment is essential, including full face shield, safety glasses, hard hat, heavy-duty rain suit, steel-toe rubber boots, steel-toe boots, metal guards, Kevlar gloves, and hearing protection. Dead man switches triggers must never be altered or rendered inoperative. This will keep the wand from whipping about wildly if dropped, preventing serious injury. The lance wand length must not be altered. A minimum length of 36 inches is required to keep the operator from pointing it at himself. Horseplay is strictly forbidden. Never point a lance at fellow employees or property not intended to be included in the task. Always start the machine with the wand pointing in a neutral area. After the machine is on, then move the wand into the blast area and begin the task. If possible, only clean water should be used. Raw water may contain small quantities of nitrogen, ammonia, and chlorine, which can be deadly in confined spaces. Stagnant water can contain algae, bacteria, and parasites that can form in open water and pipes. This can also become severe and sometimes fatal, even in open environment. When laying hoses, handle them with care. Always soften or protect hoses from sharp corners when securing. Always check before each use to make sure hoses are marked with the proper manufacturer's signature, serial number, maximum operating pressure. There should be no obvious wear, gouges, or tear marks on the outside of the high-pressure hose. Replace damaged hoses before use. Connections of mechanical nature should be whip checked. Fittings are particularly susceptible to thread wear and wrench damage. Examine all hose and fittings for defects frequently and replace if worn. Verify machine is not on when changing tips, hoses, or any part of the wand. Take two for safety when using hydroblasters or other dangerous equipment. An operator must stay with the machine while in use. The machine operator must be in contact with the work for an emergency shutdown if needed.